18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, it wasn't your typical really mid-May weekend with temperatures dropping well below average, and it's all thanks to this cold front that has now worked its way all the way to the east coast. But that moved in overnight and brought us temperatures well below average. We dropped down into the 40s last night and really haven't gotten into the 50s since then. Even seen a few scattered showers, especially to the northeastern counties, as that cold front completely has moved out. Maybe a slight chance for a scattered sprinkle or two here over the next few hours, but besides that, we're just going to remain cool and mostly cloudy, at least for the next few hours. Cloudy all around the area right now, and temperatures today only got up into the mid to upper 40s. 47 degrees was the high today. So far the low was 43, but we're going to drop well below that by the time we get to the overnight hours, once the time that sun goes down and we start to lose all of that heat. Going to be very cold. 46 degrees right now, but take a look at these winds. Winds out of the west-northwest anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts have been up in the 20-mile-per-hour mark, so temperatures feel as if they're in the low 40s, sometimes even in the 30s. So definitely not feeling too May-like out there. And that's going to continue overnight into tomorrow as well. But tonight, as we get into the early parts of tomorrow morning, a frost advisory is going to be in effect, so very cool. Good news is by the time we get to late next week, we should see those temperatures finally start to warm up, but it's going to be a long time with these temperatures well below average. Take a look at this. By the time we get to midnight, temperatures fall down into those 30s. 39 degrees from midnight, dropping down to 35 degrees by the time we get to 4 a.m., and that's when that frost could really start to set in, and that's why we are in this frost advisory starting tomorrow at 4 a.m., lasting until 9 a.m. As those clouds start to move out, we're going to start to see mostly clear skies by the time we get to the early parts of the morning. That's going to allow all that heat to escape up and out of the atmosphere there and really start to really make those temperatures cool. Really, all of the upper parts of our area are in that frost advisory. Going to be very cold. Everybody's in these 30s. Nobody will be in the 40s tonight. 34 degrees the overnight low in West Lafayette. 36 degrees in Frankfort and Rossville. It's going to be a chilly one all around the area, and maybe a few scattered showers like I said earlier, but besides that, once we get past midnight, those showers should be out of the way, and that's when you start to see these clouds move out and we'll see these clear conditions, and that's when those temperatures will really start to drop. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer. We'll finally be up into those 50s. 55 degrees will be the afternoon high tomorrow, but it'll still be pretty windy with winds out of the northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour, once again with those gusts around 20 miles per hour. So definitely another chilly day, about 15 degrees below average. Good news is we're going to be mostly clear throughout the entire day. Not a whole lot going on. You see maybe some clouds trying to start to move in early Monday morning, but until then, we'll be seeing a fair amount of sun, which will help us at least raise those temperatures up at least a little bit. Everybody will be in these 50s, some places even in those 60s. Crawfordsville and Covington will be at 60 degrees, Frankfort at 58, and same with Rossville. So still about 10 to 12 degrees below average for most places, and we're not going to get above average. Take a look at this until next Friday at the very earliest. Look at this. Temperatures in the 50s, then we're in the 60s. It's not until we get to Friday and Saturday that we see those temperatures really start to warm up. Even a good chance for some rain on Tuesday. That's the little glimmer of hope that we have. It's only one good chance for rain. So after a pretty wet work week that we saw this week, it's going to be nice to see those rain chances move out, just except for Tuesday. But really, those temperatures not feeling like May 14th out there. I mean, the record high for this time of the year is 90 degrees. I'm telling you what, I could use 90 degrees right now. I walked out this morning and it was, had to go back and get that winter coat on.
Yeah, I agree, definitely. And it doesn't feel like baseball.